Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I want to do a quick review of my new fishing bag. Now, I'm an amateur. I was just looking for a bag that can hold this collapsible fishing rod and a couple of lures for me to get started. Here's the bag that I got from Amazon. It comes with two, of course, two sides for you to put right on your backpack. Right on your back. It has plenty of space inside, so I took it out for a quick fishing trip, and I wanted to show you how much stuff I was able to fit inside the pocket. So, as you can see, in this pocket right here, I only have two things. I have my fishing rod that I put it right inside this area right here. As you can see, in this area, it has a lot of extra space for you to hold extra fish lures and whatever you want in this extra space. But I decided not to even put anything from this in that bag. Now, in the middle part, that's where I put all the extra stuff. So I have this, I have the gloves, I have, some, kind of cutter that I can use or hammer that I can use for different items. I got my extra lures right here, a couple of floaters, and another piece that goes to this fishing rod. So this bag is really useful. I like the fact that it has multiple pockets. I can see from both sides, both angles. I'm able to get in and look right through. I love the fact that I can fit so many items in this bag. So again, if you're looking for something that just has multiple pockets, has a nice inside base where you can put maybe a laptop, a couple, maybe a small computer, of course, all your fishing equipment, maybe a beer or two. If you want something dedicated, something that's gonna work, something that's gonna hold your stuff, keep it safe, keep it sound, a place to put your worms, fishing equipment, this is the thing for you. As a beginner, I can say for myself personally, I just wanted to have something where I could put all my fishing equipment in one bag and go. So having this and being able to put all this stuff in this bag and be able to just head off to the pier and catch a couple fish, this is exactly what I need, and I'm glad to have it.